Hi, my name is Jenny and I'm a food lover and cooking enthusiast. My channel is for anyone who loves food. Let's try out new, easy recipes together. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss an update. So, here is a skillet gnocchi with sausage and broccoli. Creamy gnocchi, mild Italian sausage, and broccoli with parsley is a perfect busy weeknight recipe. Cut sausages into small pieces. Take 1 sweet onion and 3 garlic cloves and chop them fine. Also, you'll need parsley. Cut a bunch of broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Prepare 1 cup of chicken broth. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the gnocchi and cook until the pasta floats to the surface, 5 minutes. Drain the gnocchi. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add chopped onion and garlic for 5 minutes. Add sausages and cook until it begins to brown, about 4 minutes. In a large skillet, toss broccoli with 1 cup of chicken broth. Continue to cook for about 5 minutes. Stir in the gnocchi, sausages, broccoli, and parsley and toss well until combined. Add grated parmesan. Serve immediately. You can add different herbs and even exotic cheeses to make it even tastier. Enjoy your skillet gnocchi with sausage. This is a very tasty dish that you will want to make at least once a week. Watch my other videos for more easy, delicious ideas.